guy that doesn't even like to smile, whack. Me, I'm tight as fuck.
Can't tie your shoes?
I can't tie my shoes, but I can fuck your bitch. Yay!
Let's be freaking losers! Get out of your mind! Get
That is not correct. Because according to the encyclopedia of...
I'm about to sing a song.
Move, bitch. Get out the way.
Austin, you're on the air. Good morning. We're doing open phones.
Hi, am I on the air?
Yep.
Fuck.
Thanks.
Is there anything better than pussy? Yes, a really good book.
Mother trucker, dude. That hurt like a butt cheek on a stick. It's cold outside, but I'm still looking like a daddy because a hoe never gets cold.
Ah! Stop! I could have dropped my croissant.
Hey, how you doing? Well, I'm doing just fine. I lied, I'm dying inside.
What the fuck? Is this allowed? What the fuck? Is that allowed?
Stop.
I look like a fucking train wreck. That's exactly what I want.
That one friend that's always cold. I'm cold. You're always cold. But I'll be damned if you're not my friend.
So no head?
Alright, let's tell each other a secret about ourselves. I'm gonna go first. I hate you.
Yeah, it was so funny, you guys. Mom, kids are drinking beer. I need you to come pick me up.
I need to step back so I can get some movement. It's in his head. It's in your forehead. Take it out of your forehead.
I don't know what the fuck just happened, but I don't really care. I'ma get the fuck up out of here. Fuck this shit, I'm out.
Stupid.
What up, man?
Chris, what's up, dog?
You pretty drunk?
Jumping off the roof.
Really?
What?
Oh, no,
Dude, what?
no,
Chris,
no.
what the hell? No! Chris!
Form of inspiration.
To be better than everyone, because I hate everyone, and I want to be better than them, and I want them to know.
Zach, stop! Zach, stop! You're gonna get in trouble.
Zach.
Kevin, don't, Kevin, watch the light, dude.
Hey, I think you're really cool. I like you a lot. Maybe we can hang out or something.
Girl, you're thicker than a bowl of oatmeal.
Now, yes.
Go suck a dick, suck a motherfucking dick. Suck a dick, huge or small. What the fuck is up, Kyle? No, what did you say, dude? What the fuck, dude? Step the fuck up, Kyle. Where the fuck are we? Glory!
And then the 4th of July. Here's an actual customer out here. What's the best kind of firework to buy?
Wouldn't you like to know, weather boy?
Where are your parents? Kid's sketchy. Back to you guys.